Good evening, viewers. Welcome to yet another episode of the Let's Talk Tech series with me, Alfred Muzinde. So today we are going to be discussing on an interesting topic on what roles exist in the field of data. I've decided to prepare this episode because of the questions that I've received from individuals who were asking about what is required for one to start a career in the field of data and what are the roles that exist. So today I'm going to do a high-level overview of what roles exist. So it is my hope that maybe in future we are going to call subject matter experts so that they can explain in detail what is required in each role and what opportunities exist for one who would want to start their career in each role. So basically we have 5 roles that exist, but we can see that in different companies the naming convention may be different, but the roles and the requirements may be the same. So to start, we have a business analyst. So business analyst, these are specialists who have the business understanding and they know the business requirements and are also able to analyze and interpret results. So in some organizations, business analyst and data analyst would be as an individual who would be performing these 2 roles, but there are differences in that. Data analyst now, they are experts in dealing with the data, so they are able to profile the data, they are able to clean, they are able to transform, and they are also able to model the data for performance optimization and tuning. Then we have data engineers. So data engineers, these are individuals now who do the process of making sure that the data analyst and data scientist and business analyst have the correct data. So basically data engineers, they ingest and transform the data and collect data from different sources, because in a company may have data stored in different sources, maybe in different formats. It could be structured or unstructured data. So these specialists will have the expertise to making sure that they collect that data from all those sources. So next we have data scientists. So these are experts that go beyond the capabilities of data analysts. So they do advanced data analysis to dig deeper to gain insights from the data. They can do machine learning models, and they can also do descriptive, cognitive, prescriptive analytics more than data analysts. They can use tools like Python to analyze data, and also R. Next we have database administrators. This one has existed for quite a long time and it's very common. So these are individuals who implement and manage our operational data stores, whether on premise or hybrid and cloud data stores, to make sure that our data infrastructure is intact, so that the data engineers have the data to collect, ingest and ingress, so that the data scientist, business analyst and data scientist have the data to work with to create their advanced analytics and their visualizations to interpret, so that the decision makers in a company may make informed decision from the data. So basically these are the roles that exist, and they have their requirements, which we are going to discuss in the next episodes. So I hope the information that I've shared today is going to be useful for those who are going to decide their career in terms of data. So in the context of Microsoft, if one is deciding to certify, we have a number of certifications that fall under each category. So for data analyst, we have a PL 300. which was formerly DA 100, and for data engineers we have DP 203, and for data scientists we have DP 100, and for database administrators we have DP 203. So let's discuss what is your area of interest, and if you have any questions, just drop them in the comment section so that we can see if we can prepare another episode to discuss further. So I hope this episode has been useful to help you to decide your career. So thank you for tuning in, and I also encourage, don't forget to watch, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and also turn on the notification bell so that when we upload another content you are notified in time. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a great time.